Hello, this is Andy. I have a '02 Chevy Silverado 1500, and last week I noticed when I was getting on the highway it was making a rattling, grinding. Thought my transmission was gonna fall. Thought drive shaft. I don't know. I kind of vaguely looked under there. Haven't had really much time to actually get under the vehicle, but I found the problem, and I'm kind of piggybacking off a video that I watched from, I think it's Burb Billy, where he had the same kind of rattle, grinding, whatever it was, on his, and he kind of did a tutorial, and he took his truck to a bunch of shops and spent a ton of money. Hopefully he got some of that back, but he led me in the direction of the emergency brake, something going on with the rear end and the emergency brake, but he kind of just was on, it was just on the screen in text saying that's what the problem was. He didn't actually show where it was. And I seen a bunch of comments of people saying, looks like the leaf spring, because this Burb Billy actually mounted a camera underneath his truck while he was driving. So a lot of people were saying it was a broken leaf spring, this, that, this. No, Billy was right. It was the emergency brake, and I'm going to show you right here. This is my first video, and I'm pretty lazy, and I really didn't want to do this, but I figure it's like paying it forward because I'm like a half-ass mechanic. I don't even know if I can say I'm a mechanic. I'm not. I just watch YouTube videos on how to fix shit, and I fix it. So this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to get under here. I got it jacked up. Got my safety glasses on, of course. So this is the rear driver side tire, and you can see the emergency brake, and I believe, I don't even know if this is called the brake shoe, but this is what's rattling. So when you're going down the road, it never did it when I was on the highway going 65 miles an hour plus, but anything slower than that, it would rattle every now and then. It doesn't do it all the time, but I'm hoping that's it. I would say that's it. So if you're getting that noise, watch Burb Billy's video first. I think the title to it is Grinding Noise on Chevy Silverado. Watch that first so you can see he elaborates a lot more than I did, but that, I just wanted to post this to show you that I'm pretty sure that's going to be the fix. So I hope it helps somebody out. That's it.